Welcome to PickoCode YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Today I am going to show you what is dependency injection in computer science. Let me go to my website and there I have already written an article. You can go through that as well. However, I will publish the link at the at this YouTube video description. There you can go to my website as well. Let me explain what is dependency injection. Dependency injection is the process which is dynamically load class methods and objects to our existing class or object in runtime. Why we need this? Actually, this achieve loosely coupling. This avoid or minimize tidal coupling with the timing preference. So, first of all, I will show you what is the very traditional code which is not using which is very tightly coupled. Let me go down. Let's take an example. Let's say we have a class called currency. Let's say that is USA currency, and we have a class called New York share market index. At the beginning of the day or wherever time, they need to show USD currency sign, that is dollar sign. And likewise, they may need euro currency sign and so on. There are so many. Here we have created currency class that is for USD, USA. So I have created method returning the sign, and inside the New York index class, they create currency new object and then call to let objects get currency sign. This is actually tightly coupled because if you need another currency, you have to create another class, another object by creating new which is tightly coupled. So this is the traditional code which is not used actually dependency injection. When we come into dependency injection, that is a design pattern which can be developed from any language, but I have used Java for that. And there are so many frameworks they make easier of implementation of dependency injection. Before going to the dependency injection example implementation, we have to go to the theory or principle of inversion of control. I will tell that is for IOC, inversion of control. What IOC is this? That is the principle, that is not a design pattern, that's a concept. Without tidal coupling, our class having a dependency to external object, external class object. That means we no need to wait and load, create new classes, new objects of our external class. We just can call a method and via abstraction factor method, we can get the whatever injection we need. That is for of IOC. So IOC concept achieving from dependency injection. There are so other design patterns like as well as dependency injection, but today I'm going to explain dependency injection only. Let me go down to the example implementation I have added in my website. The same thing, this is the traditional code I have implemented in using abstraction. So forget about the media index class for the moment. This is the currency factory. This is the currency class, and they have a interface for command class. If you need a default method, you can implement here, but for the moment I didn't go to the deep that much level. Here in currency factory, there's a method called the currency. Whatever currency, according to the country, they are creating new objects and return the object reference. And it this currency interface is implemented by every classes. Let's say there is a Euro class. We have to create a new class implemented by uh, currency interface. Then they can use some whatever method override. So if I go to the New York index class, you can see they have injected the interface is the constructor and they get the directly static reference to the get currency. You can see according to currency, it returns the relevant injection, relevant class. It injects the relevant class whatever you need. You don't need to clear new object here. As an example, why you might wonder you are not creating new object here, but we actually create it here. Let's think this code is another jar and this code is from another project, Jam's project. Let's say this is a client project and this is the backend project. So you can imagine now we import this code to this class and we can directly call this one. We no need to clear that in our this project community. They just can call the relevant method and build the relevant class. So this is the dependency injection achieved way using abstraction method. Abstract factor method. If you go need more further from abstraction, you can make it one more level to be. That means abstract factory method. You can create factory of factory and derive from whatever categorizations you need. You can inject them. For my next video, this is the base video for the next video, which is how Spring Boot framework get back with the dependency injection from their framework and how much easier of that one. So for the moment, just keep in mind this is the manually if we need to implement dependency injection, this is the manual way. There can be some other implement on this abstract factory, that is up to you. But this is the way we have used. We don't create any new objects in our. But I hope you have a good idea in what is dependency injection and what is IOC inversion of control theory. That's the theory based for dependency injection. Don't mesh with the IOC and DI. IOC is the principle for a concept and DI is a IOC concept implemented design pattern. There can be any other design patterns like dependency injection. Okay, I hope now you clear what is dependency injection and what's the relation between IOC as well. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell button for more videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.